Hello, my name is Casey Bancroft, and I'm here to share a short fable about Diophantus of Alexandria with you. Now, once long ago, a man was born in 200 CE and died in about 284 CE. However, his lifespan has been often debated many times, kind of saying, when did this guy live? However, most people think that he probably lived up to the age of 84. Now, why is this man important, you ask? He is a mathematician, the father of algebra. Now, being Diophantus of Alexandria, Alexandria was in Egypt. So, we normally have pyramids going on when we think of geometry, but this sir is on the other side in algebra. So here is the man, the legend himself. He has this lovely chiseled face. Now, he was best known for his book series, Arithmetic, his solutions for algebraic equations, and the theory of numbers. This man had lots of time on his hands, and we will see. This is his most accredited work. This is a series of 13 books. Now, unfortunately, only 6 of these books survive today. Diophantus created 130 problems equivalent to solving an equation. These are linear and quadratic. They were classified between determinate and indeterminate, meaning they have unique solutions, where there's just one solution. This would be considered determinate. So this would look like, say, 2x equals 10. We would know the answer is x equals 5. Now, other of his problems were indeterminate. This was most of his work, where they would have multiple solutions. We can have problems that are x plus 10, and x can be any integer, where this has introduced the number theory to people. Now, he didn't quite like this. He more often wanted a rational or natural number solution. Now, this was given the name Diophantine analysis, where multiple routes to solve integral solutions for equations when there is more than one variable when the coefficients are integers. Okay, this is a very well-known thing going on today. Now, as well as having algebraic equations, the book also deals with algebraic symbols. So, where some of this information can get taught from Egyptians. Okay, so a lot of his symbols were written in Greek. So here we have a comparison of Diophantus symbols he used during his time, shown in Greek, compared to the modernized version. So we can see x squared and what it looks like, and so on down the list. This was represented throughout his book. It was a number and equation oriented and not as geometric. So very focused on algebra side of math, where he really tried to find solutions to different problems. Like Diophantus, we should ask ourselves why or how and try to find multiple solutions to the problems that our lives uphold. Math has the creative ability for us to look at it in different ways and at different realms. There doesn't always have to be one way to a solution. Sometimes we just need to step back and have some perspective. Diophantus may have just wanted one simple determinate solution. However, life is not simple. The complexity of life exposes ourselves to even more concepts and ideas than we can imagine. Math doesn't have to mean one thing to you. Instead, math means everything. It's the air we breathe and the objects that surround us. It is a way to find answers to our millions of questions. Diophantus didn't just write 13 books because he was told to or because he was so extraordinarily bored. He was gifted with the opportunity to learn just like us, so he pushed himself and used his knowledge to educate others. And this is exactly what we should do.